Okay, let's do number 2. So we're using the power of a product property. We're going to apply the exponent to every single term inside the parentheses, and then use power of a power property to simplify some more. So this 3 goes to this 3. So I get 3 to the 3rd power times x to the 3rd times y to the 4th to the 3rd. And then now all I have to do is simplify. So I know 3 times 3, that gives me 9, times 3, that gives me 27. So I have a 27 in my answer. I know that I need to multiply these two 3's together for the x cubed, and so I get x to the 9th. And then for my y's, I know that I need to multiply the 4 and the 3 using power of a power. So 4 times 3 is 12. So I get y to the 12th. And there is my answer.